Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Gian. Today I'm going to show you how to make the juiciest baked pork chop on 5-ingredient yellow rice. The first step is to season the pork, and I'm going to do so using ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, oregano, black pepper, seasoning salt, regular salt, garlic, and paprika. The ingredients are very simple, but I promise you this pork is going to be very tasty. Give it a good stir. Make sure it's well uncoated, and that is it. We're going to let this sit on the side and let it marinate. Next, we're going to chop red and green bell peppers and an onion and place that to the side. Once the pork is marinated, we're going to grease a 13x9 baking dish, and then we're going to place the pork side by side in the baking dish. Cover the dish tightly with foil and place into an oven that has been preheated to 325 degrees. Now let's get started on the rice. To a pot, we're going to add long grain white rice, sazon, chicken broth or chicken stock, chicken bouillon, and salt. This rice is super easy to make, and I tell you, my kids absolutely love it, so I make it weekly. Once the rice comes to a boil, I'm going to turn the heat all the way down to low, place a cover on top of it, and let it cook like this for about the next 20 minutes. And I promise you, the rice is perfectly cooked and fluffy every single time. Once the pork has been in the oven for 35 minutes, we're going to remove it from the oven, take off the foil, and then add the vegetables to the pork. We're going to then take this pan and place it back into the oven that has now been heated to 350 degrees. It's going to cook for the next 30 to 35 minutes uncovered so that the pork gets nice and golden brown and the vegetables are cooked. And that's all it takes to make the juiciest pork chops. Good food does not have to be complicated. And here's the rice. The rice is perfectly cooked and fluffy, and it goes well with the pork chop. That's it. Thank you for joining me. If you've enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. As always, the link to these two recipes will be listed in the description box below, so please be sure to head on down there and to check it out. See you next time.